Everyone wants to have a healthy physique and beautiful skin. People are making the changes to eat better. A healthy diet can have a big effect after all. One reason why consumers are avoiding carbonated, fizzy drinks is because of their negative side effects. Today people want healthier drinks that they can make at home with ingredients that are easy to find. Fresh ginger and carrot juice are a few of these healthy beverages. They are great for your health. These two vegetable juices have a wide variety of elements, including antioxidants, minerals, and multivitamins. Here is why you should drink fresh ginger carrot juice. 1. Improves skin health. Ginger carrot juice has a few elements that support good skin. It wards against skin issues. Carrots are healthy for the skin since they contain a lot of vitamin A and other antioxidants. They maintain skin hydration and prevent acne, pigmentation, scarring, and uneven skin tone. 2. Strengthens immunity. This nutritious drink is wonderful for your immune system. It can benefit both growing youngsters and older people. Carrots' vitamins A and C help the immune system. For carrots, opt for the organic variety. 3. Improves heart health. Carrots are excellent for the wellness of your heart. Carrots have lutein, beta-carotene, and alpha-carotene. These are antioxidants that help fight cholesterol and lower the risk of heart attacks. They have a lot of potassium, which helps to decrease high blood pressure. Ginger is good for your heart because it lowers cholesterol. It also keeps blood pressure in check and keeps blood from clotting. 4. Lowers the risk of cancer. Fresh ginger carrot juice can protect against cancer. This is because it has anti-cancer, anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, anti-proliferative, and anti-metastatic properties. Studies have linked ginger to combat many types of cancer, including ovarian, colon, lung, breast, skin, prostate, and pancreatic cancer. 5. Controls diabetes. Ginger lowers blood sugar levels. It even improves the effectiveness of insulin and diabetes medications. Ginger helps prevent health problems caused by diabetes and high blood sugar. Carrots are beneficial to diabetics. The carotenoids they contain helps with blood sugar regulation. They also have a very low glycemic load. 6. Beneficial for digestive health. If you frequently have stomach problems, you should include this delicious ginger carrot juice in your diet. Both ingredients are rich in nutrients that are healthy for the colon and the digestive system. Raw carrot juice changes the mucus that lines the stomach and colon. This helps people who are constipated. Your stomach will work more efficiently if you use ginger. It eases heartburn and reduces discomfort, swelling, and nausea. Additionally, ginger helps soothe an upset stomach by helping to expel any extra gas. It can even relax the muscles in the gastrointestinal tract, which will stop gas and bloating. Try preparing this nutritious juice at home using your blender or juicer. Ingredients: 4 to 6 carrots, 1/2 inch ginger root, 1/2 lemon, cinnamon powder, optional, salt, optional. Instructions: 1. Peel carrots. Wash under running water and dry. 2. Remove the ginger roots peel. Then give it a thorough wash. 3. Put the carrots through the juicer. 4. Put the ginger through the juicer. 5. Fill a glass with the juice. 6. Juice from half a lemon should be added to the carrot and ginger juices. 7. As an option, add some salt or cinnamon for flavor. 8. Drink it once a day. The ideal time to consume this is with breakfast. Give the video a thumbs up and share it with your friends if you enjoy it. Subscribe if you want to see more recipes and advice.